Hi there, I'm Alice from luggage.co.nz, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Nomad Business Carry-On Rolling Tote. So the Nomad Business range is exclusive to luggage.co.nz and at an amazing price point. It also comes with a 10-year New Zealand warranty. With 4 double spinning wheels, the business tote is super smooth rolling and ready to maneuver its way through the airport with you. You'll also find a retractable telescopic handle system as well as a top grab handle for extra carrying options. On the outside of the tote, a front flat zippered pocket is perfect for storing your passport and boarding passes when travelling. Inside, you'll also find an organisation system for stationery. Underneath this front flat pocket and hidden away in this detailing is a secret stash pocket, which is perfect if you have important documents to travel with. On the back of the rolling tote, an ID tag is inbuilt, which is a necessity when travelling. The rest of the business tote is an interesting configuration. At the front, the main mobile office compartment zips around and opens in a filing folder style. This pocket has a padded 15-inch laptop compartment with a Velcro closure. You'll also find a tablet sleeve and pockets for extra documents, folders and notebooks. There's also plenty of room to keep your electronic cables organised. The main compartment of the rolling tote zips around like a regular suitcase. The zipper pulls are secured in the inbuilt TSA approved combination lock. Once unlocked, the suitcase zips around like so. This main compartment opens at a 45-degree angle, held with 2 small adjustable clips. This is perfect for when needing to grab something out of the main compartment while travelling. Instead of placing the suitcase on the ground and zipping it open, the compartment can be opened from the top and products can be retrieved hassle-free. These side buckles can be unclipped so that the compartment opens flat like a regular suitcase. Inside, a mesh central divider keeps personal clothing items secure in their compartment. Inside this section, you'll also find 2 adjustable cross ribbons to compress your personal belongings. On the opening side of the tote, 3 zippered pockets keep smaller items organised. These are perfect for small clothing items, socks, underwear or other small travel necessities that you may like to take with you. Perfect for overnight business trips, the rolling tote from Nomad keeps work and personal items separate and organised while still maintaining that classy modern day business travel look. Travel in luxury and stay organised with the Nomad Business Carry-On Rolling Tote. From us here at luggage.co.nz, safe and happy travels.